Okay, so hi guys, in today's video, I will teach you how you can download any 3D model you have generated inside of Tripo 3D.ai completely for free. So let's get started. First thing, you have to create your free account and generate any model of your liking. Here you can see I have generated a model which is image I generated using ChatGPT. So I just throw that in this website. As you can see that it is a free version. You can see like right here. So what you're gonna do to download this model is to press F12 or click on these three dots here and go to inspect. Where the fuck is inspect? Just right click here and then press inspect. Okay, once we are here, we are going to go to networks and search GLB here, and then just reload your page once. Now it has found our generated model. Now make sure that you have pressed on your own model, not other models. Then press F12 and do the same thing. Just reload it once again. And now you have found your 3D model here. And what you're going to do is you're going to copy this link and paste it in your search bar, and that is going to download your model. Now this model is not going to open in a software like Blender because it is reshopped compressed. Now to remove this, you have to go to this website named gltf.repository and upload your 3D model here. Now from here, you have to go to compression and uncompress. Now just click on export and you have your model ready. You can rename it whatever you want, and that's it. You can export it into your software. Here you go. All the textures, all the vertices are going to stay as they are. And thank you for watching. Subscribe if you. Thank you for watching.